Good morning, students. How are you all? We are going to talk about values and its importance. So, our today's topic is values and its importance. See, what is the meaning of values? Okay, values are stable, long-lasting beliefs about what is important to values are very powerful but individual. Values are very important to the study of organizational behavior, silent silent force affecting human because values have an important influence on the attitudes, perceptions, and needs and motives of the people at work. Values are the basics of human personality and are a very powerful but silent force affecting human behavior. Okay, so a value may be defined as a concept of the desirable and internalized criterion or standard of evaluation a person possesses. Such concepts and standards are relatively few and determine or guide an individual's evaluation of many objects encountered in everyday life. Okay, according to Milton, Milton. Okay, a noted psychologist. Okay, values are global beliefs that guide actions and judgments across a variety of situations. What is according to Milton? Values are global beliefs that guide actions and judgments across a variety of situations. Okay, so this is the definition of value. Okay, and if we talk about characteristics of value, see, values are fewer in number than attitudes. Values are fewer in number than attitudes. Values are relatively permanent and resistant to change. Values are most central to the core of a person. Values have two attributes, content and intensity. The content attribute stresses that a particular code of conduct is important. The intensity attribute specifies how important that particular code of conduct is. Okay, next, when we rank an individual's values in terms of their intensity, we obtain the value system of that person. In the value system, all of us have a hierarchy of values, which is identified by the relative importance we assign to different values, such as freedom, self respect, honesty, and so on. Okay, freedom, self respect, honesty, and so on. Okay, next, let's discuss about types of values. If we talk about types of values, okay, let's discuss about terminal values and instrumental values. Okay, if we talk about terminal values, okay, first, in terminal values, comfortable life, family security, family security. Next, we can say that wisdom. Next, we can say mature love. We can say uh, freedom. We can mention happiness. We can mention pleasure. Okay, we can mention equality. We can mention inner harmony. Next, self respect. We can also add self respect. Next, social recognition. Yes, yes, social recognition. Next, true friendship. True friendship. Next, 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 we can add a world of beauty. A world of beauty. Okay, we can mention salvation and so on. Okay, second type, if we take instrumental values. Okay, in instrumental values we can take capable. We can take cheerful, forgiving, helpful, helpful, honest, loving, obedient, polite, logical, independent. We can also add intellectual. Responsible, ambitious. Okay, so these are instrumental values. Okay, now let's discuss the importance of values. See, if we talk about the importance of values, see, first point is that personal value system influences the perception of individuals. Okay, value system influences the manager's perception of the different situation. Personal value system influences the way in which a manager views the other individual and the groups of individual in the organization. Okay, personal value system also influences a manager's decision and his solutions to the various problems. Okay, see, values influence the attitude and behavior. An individual will get more job satisfaction if his values align with the organization's policies. If the organization's policies are different from his views and values, he will be disappointed, and The disappointment will lead to job dissatisfaction and decline in performance. Okay, so these are the importance of values. Okay, so we discussed about the meaning, types, characteristics, and importance of values. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.